We've all forgot to turn off the heater or AC at some point, right? You might have forgotten to turn off the power when you had to leave the house. Or you might have had to adjust the temperature quickly as the weather gets cold with the change in season. Now, you can adjust the indoor temperature freely, anytime, anywhere. You can turn the heater on and off while you're not home. And it's all thanks to Servetec's Wi-Fi thermostat. This product is extremely smart. Let's learn about it together. Servetec's Wi-Fi thermostat is a key electrical heating product that was perfected through 3 years of development and has obtained the international CEROHS certificates and all domestic certifications related to electromagnetic waves and safety. It controls and manages the temperature in various spaces, such as houses, restaurants, hotels, schools, and preschools with incredible efficiency. Now, let's talk about all the benefits of Servetec's Wi-Fi Thermostat H700. The remote control feature is what makes the Wi-Fi thermostat so efficient. You can turn the heater on and off in real time through the app. If you left the house without turning off the heater, or if you want to make your house nice and warm just in time for when you get home, you can turn it on and off through the app. The second benefit is the grouping feature, which lets you control products that are installed in multiple locations through one device. As long as you have the app on your phone, you can control multiple locations without having to go there physically, which is one of the unique benefits of Servetec's Wi-Fi thermostat. This feature is very useful when you need to adjust the indoor temperature for each individual room, such as a daycare, preschool, school, or other educational institution. But it can also be very beneficial to hotels, pensions, and other lodgings. The third benefit is 7 days. This feature can't be found in any other product. It works as a clock, but it doesn't just stop there. If you enter the desired time and temperature, it controls the heater according to your settings. You can also set the time and temperature for each day of the week. Now you can just set it up once and forget about it, thanks to this incredible feature. That's a truly smart life. Servetec's Wi-Fi thermostat has a wider 2.9 inches LCD panel so that users can control the device more easily and conveniently. The Wi-Fi module is slotted inside the product, which allows it to have a smart, minimalist design. Lastly, the construction and hanging system are very simple. Gas heating installation is cumbersome in the beginning, but electrical heating has a very simple construction and fits in various spaces. Because the device is hung instead of embedded, the user can install the device anywhere they want. Servetec's Wi-Fi thermostat H700 can be used easily by anyone. Now, let's check the most important features of this product. Remote control feature so that you can turn the heater on and off through the app, anytime, anywhere. Grouping feature that controls heating in multiple locations through one device. 7 days feature that allows you to set the temperature for the desired time of day for weekdays and weekends. It has wide 2.9 inches LCD panel, minimalist design, convenient construction, and simple installation. As long as you have Servetec's Wi-Fi thermostat, you can live a smart life anytime, anywhere. Servetec's smart and convenient Wi-Fi thermostat H700. You can be warm anytime, anywhere with Servetec. Stay warm anytime, anywhere. Servetec.